how to restore apps, installation files, and app settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on restore data from the Samsung Cloud section. Now we scroll down and select a phone that you want to restore. So I'm going to select this device here. Now simply tap on the checkbox at the top to deselect all the options. And then we scroll down and tap on apps. This will allow us to only restore the apps, installation files, and app settings, and it will not restore other things. Now tap on the restore button to go ahead, then tap on yes, and then tap on install. And that's it. Just wait for your apps to fully restore on your device. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.